If you're a girl who is pregnant and you're being forced to have an abortion, you can immediately contact the Texas Center for Defense of Life through our website, through our phone number, and let us know, and we can come to help you with your legal needs. You have an absolute right to have that child. That's the law of this land from the Supreme Court of the United States. And so no one can force you to do something against your will, particularly not an extreme medical procedure like an abortion.
Our client was being threatened, harassed. Her parents were calling her stupid. Her parents physically dragged her to an abortion clinic and physically assaulted her in front of the clinic. She wound up with a bloody knee. Sometimes the law is the only thing that's going to stand between them and support their choice to have the child. And that was the case. That was the situation we had last fall. But for a court order, her parents probably would have continued harassing and threatening her until she gave in and had the abortion.
The case that we had in November primarily was the girl's parents forcing her, criticizing her, ridiculing her because of her decision to keep her baby, and driving her to a clinic and dragging her, assaulting her out in front of the clinic, pushing her down. She had a bloody knee. She was holding onto the bumper of the vehicle being dragged into the clinic. That's a forced abortion.
If you are in a forced abortion situation, you should immediately contact the Texas Center for Defense of Life, and we will step in the state of Texas to support you on the legal side. If you live outside the state of Texas, we do have a network of attorneys through the Alliance Defense Fund that we could get legal support for you in whatever state you happen to live in.